Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is 11th of August, Wednesday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I help my traders to bank amazing profit through a live intraday analysis. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into straight to the major currency pair EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. All right, so Euro USD, if you look at the 4-hour chart, we were short this week, as you can see here. Bank beautiful pips, pullback short trade. If you haven't seen my previous analysis, the video link is given in the video description in the below. And today we were expecting a long trade here, and let me explain to you why we were expecting a long trade here. And beautiful price developed double bottom, and we had a beautiful long trade here. And still some of the traders are still banking some profit, but we nicely hit our profit target, which is the resistance level. And tomorrow, if the price is going to break, then probably going to be taking a pullback long here or pullback short. We'll let you know tomorrow, but let me share with you today how I analyze market and bank amazing profit on Euro USD. If you look at the Euro USD intraday analysis, let me share with you guys here. Let me make it slightly bigger. Okay, so we were long here as mentioned to my traders, and let me explain to you another reason why I expecting a long. This is the daily analysis broadcast yesterday. Explained to trader that if the price is going to respect 117,000 level, which is the big psychological number, major support level. And if we see any pattern in intraday, probably we're going to be taking a long trade here. And if the price is going to develop a bullish engulfing candle pattern tomorrow, probably we're going to see another long trade here, but we'll let you know tomorrow. Let's dig into the intraday analysis, and that's what I did analysis this morning at this level, and explain to details and to my traders that if at this level, if the price is going to, and I'll also demonstrate through this pattern to my traders, you can see here that if the price is going to develop double bottom, inverted head and shoulder, triple bottom, or descending triangle pattern, then probably going to be taking a counter long trade here, because we're watching in 4-hour. As you can see here, price nicely developed a double bottom. We have this counter long trade, beautiful bank, beautiful pips at this level. News also supported, as you can see here. Price nicely hit our first target, bank beautiful profit. And after that, as always, after the breakout, we can see here momentum is developed bullish. So we're looking here another pullback at this level, and that's what I did. Another analysis broadcasted instantly to help my traders. And let me share with you guys, we have this beautiful pullback. As you can see here, price nicely respected. As soon as the price hit again the same level, I said to guys, bank few pips and look for another pullback. As you can see here, later stage, the traders were expecting, am I gonna come back? I say guys, then I updated analysis. As soon as my trader request that possibility price might gonna, because they was expecting that the price has developed double top here and there might gonna be a short trade. And I said to guys, don't look at short until if the price is going to break. This is the level I highlighted, that the price has broken this previous high. If the price is going to stay above that previous high, we are looking long as the momentum is bullish. And that's what we explained to trader. As you can see here, price nicely developed another pullback and price nicely hit previous high. I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoying pipping or move your stop loss at the break even. Based on the momentum, we had such a nice beautiful long trade here. Even in 4-hour, you can see here price nicely hit our daily target. So amazing trades on Euro USD. Let's dig into the pound dollar. We had amazing profit on pound dollar too. If you look at the pound dollar, let me open it. And okay, so let's dig into the 4-hour chart. We were short this from yesterday. Once this inside candle pattern, we have this breakout at the I did this analysis yesterday at the New York session, ACH session. We have this breakout, price nicely hit, as you can see here, price nicely hit 138,000 level, supported by the support level. Bank beautiful pips, later stage, price broke on. That's the news, CPI news for the dollar came out. As you can see here, that's the news reaction. We were looking another pullback. We're taking a pullback short trade here, and we were expecting this our first target at this level. As you can see here, beautiful, nicely. We had a short trade, we had a long trade, bank amazing profit. Now I'm going to show you the intraday analysis, how I analyze through intraday. And that's the key thing. We basically analyze 4 hour to develop sentiment, buys, and then we refine our entries and exit in intraday. Okay, so let's dig into the intraday analysis. Let me explain to you guys. Okay, so this is the yesterday analysis I mentioned. If you haven't seen my video, watch, link is given in the video description. This was the pretty straightforward breakout. We had a candle inside candle pattern, breakout and pullback, long trade. And in the morning, I also updated that analysis instantly. I said to guys, look for another breakout, which is performed very nicely. And as soon as the price hit 138 level, explain to my trader, either bank some profit, move your stop loss at the break even. Let's see at the New York session after the news. As you can see here, this is the news reaction. You can see here price nicely shoot up. As always guys, news is good for the cable, and let's see here if the price is going to develop based on the momentum at this level pullback, or is going to respect this orange EMA. We're going to take a pullback long here. You can see here another, as soon as the price hit this level, bank few more pippies. So we had a beautiful pullback. And afterwards, as always, that most of the traders was saying probably price might gonna come back because of the double top. Same exactly the Euro USD. Then I did this analysis to my trader. Look, this is the level which is broken previously, and if the price gonna stay that level, we're going to take a long, looking for the long position based on the momentum. Otherwise, if the price is going to break, then we're going to take a short trade here. What happened after that? Another pullback. As soon as the price hit this level, major resistance level, I said to my trader, guys, enjoying pipping. Most of the traders bank beautiful pips. Some of the traders are still holding it. Good luck. As you can see here, we manage beautiful, amazing profit. And that's what we do every single day. Analyze in 4 hour price action, find an entry and exit in intraday. Trader have us a question, we broadcast that analysis instantly to help them. That's what exactly our main objective. Price action in real time, developing trading skill in real time. That's the key. All right, so let's move on to the dollar CAD. If you look at the dollar CAD, we were short from yesterday. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis video, link is given in the video description, and I explained to you guys this level and beautiful from yesterday short. Today, as you can see here, as I mentioned yesterday, if the price is going to develop bullish, let me make it slightly bigger. So as yesterday, as I mentioned, if the price is going to develop bullish, bearish engulfing candle, then probably going to be taking a short trade here. As you can see here, price nicely broke on this previous low and expecting short trade here, which we did. We managed a beautiful short trade here. Bank another profit, and we have another pullback short trade here. So if you look at the daily EURJPY dollar CAD, we have a bearish engulfing candle, so it's a good sign. Let's see tomorrow if the price is going to break this level, then probably going to be taking a pullback short trade here. We'll let you know tomorrow. Let's see today how I managed beautiful pips on dollar CAD. Okay, let's move into the daily intraday analysis. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so we had this short trade from yesterday, as I mentioned you. Today, again, we were looking at this level pullback, and that's what I explained to my trader. Either we can have this pullback, or either we're going to have pullback at this level. As you can see here, price nicely respected, especially when the price developed double top here and beautiful short trade here, because our bias was bearish based on from the yesterday. We're looking entry exit point intraday, beautiful short trade pullback. As soon as the price hit to the 200 EMA, that's what we explained to trader, it's time to enjoying pipping. So we had a beautiful short trade here, and afterwards, as always, our bias was short, looking for short. And as mentioned my trader, Price has broken this level and looking for another pullback. As you can see here, price nicely respected as mentioned on the analysis. And we also communicated through live audio commentary to my trader, it's time to have another ride and bank beautiful pips, target where the previous low. So just before closing London session, we had another beautiful pullback short trade, bank amazing profit. So that was the amazing last short trade, beautiful on dollar CAD. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all these analyses. That's what I explained to you guys. That's what exactly we do every single day. Analyzing market in 4 hour and finding the opportunities in intraday and banking some profit. You can see here, consider banking some pips, consider banking some pips. You can see how many analyses we did. Most of the traders have really enjoyed today. All right, guys, so that's it for today. And as always mentioned, guys, the most important thing is, and interesting thing is watching these analyses in real time and banking pips in real time. And the most interesting thing is developing your price action trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis, through live audio commentary support. That's my main objective. Not training with the historical price, teaching with the real market. And that's what's the most important thing, and that's why you're going to develop a real trading skill. And once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you to get funded from the prop firms. If you are interested how I help my traders through live intraday analysis through this platform, and how I help them to get funded from prop firms, and I'm offering free one-to-one consultation, and my availability calendar link is also given in the video description in the below, which is completely free, guys. And even if you are experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you have seen all of my analysis is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So guys, most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. Again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.